What if your dog could welcome your guests, your cat could tell funny stories, or your pet could become the star of your next YouTube or TikTok video? With AI, you can transform an ordinary pet photo into a realistic talking pet in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a talking pet video using Zoice, from uploading your pet's photo to generating a fully animated video with realistic lip sync and natural facial expressions. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to zoice.com. On the home page, click Sign In or Try Zoice. Both options will take you to the sign in page where you can access your account or create a new one if you're using Zoice for the first time. If you already have a Zoice account, simply enter your email address and password. You can also continue with your Google account for faster access. If you're new to Zoice, click Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, and create a password. You can also register using your Google account. Once your account has been created, you'll have access to all of Zoice's AI video creation tools. Since I already have an account, I'll go back and continue signing in. After signing in, you'll arrive on the Zoice dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Avatar Characters. This is where all of your custom avatars are stored. From here, you can create new avatars, manage existing ones, and reuse them whenever you create new videos. Now let's create our talking pet avatar. Click Create New to begin. Zoice lets you either upload your own pet photo or generate one using an AI prompt. For this tutorial, I'm going to upload a real photo of my pet. Choose a clear photo of your pet. For the best results, use a front-facing image where your pet's face is clearly visible. Next, give your avatar a name. Once everything is ready, click Generate Avatar. Zoice will analyze your image and create a custom talking pet avatar in just a few moments. After your avatar has finished generating, it will appear inside the avatar characters library. Click on your newly created pet avatar. This opens the avatar settings and allows you to begin creating your talking pet video. Click Generate Video. This opens Zoice's video generation workspace where you'll upload your audio, customize the output settings, and generate the final talking pet video. At this point, you have two different ways to create your video. You can either write a script and let Zoice generate the voice automatically, or you can upload an audio recording that you want your pet to speak. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Generate from Audio and upload the audio file I've already prepared. Click Upload Audio and select the audio file from your computer. This can be your own voice or any audio recording you'd like your pet to lip sync with. Once the upload is complete, Zoice will process the audio and prepare it for video generation. Now let's configure the output settings. Click Output to open the available options. First, choose the aspect ratio based on where you'll publish your video. Since I'm creating content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, I'll select 9:16. If you're creating a standard YouTube video, choose 16:9 instead. Next, select the resolution. Higher resolutions produce better video quality, while lower resolutions generate faster and use fewer credits. Next, click Action Prompt. Here you can describe how you want your pet to behave while speaking. You can write your own action prompt or select one of the suggested prompts. These prompts help create more natural facial expressions, head movements, and body gestures. Once you've selected an action prompt, click Add Action. Before continuing, quickly review all of your settings. Make sure your uploaded audio, output settings, and action prompt are all configured correctly. If everything looks good, click Generate. After clicking Generate, Zoice will first create an audio preview. Play the preview and listen carefully to make sure you've uploaded the correct audio and that the voice sounds exactly the way you want. If you'd like to make any changes, you can upload another audio file before generating the final video. Once you're satisfied with the preview, Click Generate Avatar Video. Zoice will now begin generating your talking pet video. Depending on the length of your audio and your selected output settings, this process may take a few moments. You can monitor the progress directly on your screen while the video is being created. Once generation is complete, click Preview to watch the finished video. Check the lip sync, facial expressions, and overall animation to make sure everything looks natural. If you're happy with the result, click Download to save the video to your device. And that's it. We've successfully transformed a simple pet photo into a realistic talking pet using Zoice. As you can see, the facial expressions, lip sync, and movements match the uploaded audio naturally, making your pet look like it's actually talking. Let's watch the final result.
Hi, I'm Jimmy, and I have a little secret. Every time my human leaves the house, I race to the window to keep watch. I bark at the mailman, inspect every strange sound, and make sure everything is safe. By the time they come home, I've already worked a full shift as the family's security manager. I think I deserve an extra treat, don't you?
That's how easy it is to create a talking pet video with Zoice. Whether you're creating funny videos for social media, entertaining friends and family, or producing engaging content for YouTube, Zoice makes the entire process fast and simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us which pet you'll animate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.